Hey guys, here is how to invest in stock without having to do the hard work yourself. You can see this is a worldwide platform. You can see United States, USA, Japan, France, Canada, India, UK, you see Nigeria, Brazil, and all of that. So now you can get started with this platform. It's a stock investment platform, and you can earn every week on this investment. They have investment products as low as 3 days, 7 days, 30 days, 180 days, 750 days. And not only that, you can make money by investing in stock on this platform, you can also contact their customer support personified investment analysis. Like if you're interested in contacting their experts on investment, an investment analyst, they also offer those services, meaning that no matter how much you have, you want to put it to useful use. No matter how much you have, you want to put it into useful use, you can do that by personally investing in any of their products, or contacting their expert analyst to give you a personified investment package, like what you can do with your money, what you can do with your funds. This is a very reliable platform to put to work, and you can see it's worldwide platform. And look at the countries that are topping in investments. They have over $1 billion in assets already. You can do your research. This is Snowealth investment, Snowealth platform, and look at what they do here. They invest in stock for you, not only stock but stock index. If you understand what stock index means, it means the collective stock from different countries or from different companies. So this is what they do. They don't only trade individual stock, they trade stock index, meaning that as a stock index keep existing, this platform will continue. This is a real-time trading, and in subsequent days or subsequent week, consistently I'll be bringing you the updates on how this platform, how you can earn passive income with this on this platform. How to get started on Snowealth. You can see their investment packages. Nasdaq Snowball 7. This is 7 days package, and you can see minimum investment is $10. Apart from this, you can also, when you register, you can claim a $50 bonus to first of all try the investment for either 3 days or 7 days. The minimum deposit on this platform is $11. The minimum withdrawal is also $10.53. So there is everything for everyone. The maximum per withdrawal is $50,000. So no matter your level, there is something for you on this platform, either big, medium, or small. You have a product to join. How to get started? You first of all need to sign up, then complete your registration and contact the customer support to receive the $50 trial funds, which lasts for either 7 days or 3 days. Then you have to put your money to work if you want to continue earning profit on this. We're going to be trying it together, and trust me guys, you will love this. So this is it. Nasdaq Snowball. This is Nikkei 225 Snowball. This is 21 days investment. Minimum investment is $60. And we have the 18% profit. Their investment is 1% profit daily, but there are some circumstances that will warrant you not getting the 1% daily. If the investment falls on weekends, like stock doesn't trade on weekends, Saturdays and Sunday, just like Forex. So apparently they are giving 1% of profit every day, and 1% management fee, which is what they used in running the platform. And of course, we all know cryptocurrency withdrawal, USDT withdrawal, and USDT deposit. So let me show you. Cryptocurrency withdrawal has a 1% fee also. No matter how much you want to withdraw, your withdrawal comes with a 1% fee charge, and 1% fee for management fee, which is the platform fee. The withdrawal fee is for the withdrawal fee, just like Binance charges for withdrawal fee. So same thing is happening here. So 1% withdrawal fee, 1% management fee. So that's how it works. You can invest as low as $11. So to get started, let me create an account. You see, log in, create an account. This is how to get started. You see Snowealth email. I'll enter my email. Okay, let me switch to sign up. So you enter your email address, you enter password, you enter the invitation code, then you verify your email and check this box, then click on confirm registration. This is a very matured investment that you should not miss. Very matured, reliable, and sustainable. They are trading real-time stock here, stock trading. So it's not abracadabra, it's not like magic or anything. This is a real-time trading. If you know about stock investments, then you will joyfully embrace this. So let me sign up so that I can contact the customer support to get my $50 trial funds, and I will add to it so that I can first of all test run the free trial funds. So I'm signing up at the right now. So guys, I've just completed my registration. Email, password, enter invitation code, do the verification code, the captcha, click on confirm and proceed. Now this is what you will be seeing by default. The moment you register, check the invite code in the description box of this video and the link to sign up on this platform in the description box of this video. So you see this this round thing is where you are going to contact their customer support to receive the $50 trial funds. Remember I said you see contact information. This is their WhatsApp support. If I click on this, you see Telegram. Then I'll select Telegram. And this is their official community group. So let me send a message to the customer support. Okay, so guys, you can also contact the customer service on WhatsApp in case for one reason or the other you are unable to use the Telegram customer support. So from the WhatsApp contact, you see same customer support so that you can claim your $50 trial funds. So next is to deposit. If you want to deposit, you click on deposit and you can see the minimum deposit you can do is $11. For anything whatsoever, you can join their community group where they give analysis every blessed day. You can see the deposit means USDT house 20, and you enter how much you want to deposit. You click on confirm and you proceed. The minimum recharge is $11. Recharge period is available daily, and USDT deposit. No maximum deposit account limits. Maximum deposit amount for Indian legal tendency. Okay, the charge fund will be credited to your account within 24 hours. So this is for the deposit. So if you go to the withdrawal too, let's see what the withdrawal, the criteria for withdrawal. So read this too. Withdrawal time is from like 24/7. The minimum withdrawal is $10.30. The maximum withdrawal amount is $50,000 for a single withdrawal, and the maximum withdrawal amount is $500,000 for a single day. Regardless of the amount, a withdrawal fee of 1% is charged uniformly. The withdrawal funds will be credited to your account within 48 hours. Everything is speculated here. You see their group analysis. This is a group. This is their group. You can see how people are airing their views. So I will drop the link to join this group in the description box of this video as well. And this is their daily investment analysis. You see today's recommendation, IB35 Snowball 7. Snowealth professional analyst. Okay, Snowealth professional analysis team recommends that investors start investing in snowball products linked to the Spanish IBX 35 index for 7 days. I told you what they trade is stock index. They don't do individual stock. Individual stock is a single stock, but stock index is a collective numbers of different stock from different countries or different companies. So that's what we call stock index. So they make recommendations, so guys, and you can see their channel where they post daily investment recommendation analysis. You see their recommendation, technical analysis. The IBX 35 is a neutral zone according to the most indicators, including moving averages and oscillators. So for those that understand trading, technical trading, then you will know that what they are doing here is a real-time trading. So your money is safe and your money is generating profits because they are not doing any abracadabra. It's not a posing scheme. It's a real-time trade, a stock index trading. So that's why you have to take this kind of platform seriously, because it's a long-time thing. You look at their daily posts, their daily analysis for stock investment. You can see all of this. So that's it. So now going back to the platform, because it's the customer support is yet to respond to my chats, so I'm yet to have the $50. I've just told you how to contact the customer support. So this is where you make your deposit, and this is where you make your withdrawal. So now let's go to different packages that they have. Click on these three lines, then click on products. So these are the varieties of what they have here. You see FTX 100 Snowball. This is 3 days investment and $10 minimum investment. S&P 500 Snowball 14 days investment. You see 13% profit. This one 4% profit. That's to tell you 1% daily profit. Categories, these are the countries. You see ABX 35 Snowball 28 days 28% maturity for 30 days. Minimum is $60. So coming to this second page here, you see number 2 row, you see investments of 3 days, minimum of $10. Remember I said the $50 free trial can only last for 3 or 7 days, meaning you have to select a 3-day product. It's only the profits you can withdraw. So, and the minimum, have it at the back of your mind, minimum withdrawal is, let's just approximately $11. So I don't think the $50 trial fund can give you $11 in 3 days. So you still need to deposit. This is for investors, because this is a real-time business. You can see this NASDAQ Snowball 7 days, minimum of $10, and you earn 7% in 7 days, meaning that you're earning 1% every day. So this is for pure investor, and this is a stock index investment. It's purely for investors. It's not posing scheme. This is purely for investors, those that want to make money by putting their money to work without losing their funds. So this is for you. In the stock market, this is for you. I'll make subsequent videos when the customer service credits my account, and when I'm trying to invest, how to put the money to work, how to buy their shares and all of that. So I'll make in my subsequent video, I'll show you when the customer support eventually deposits the trial funds. I'll deposit and show you a package I'll be buying so that you can see. So stay tuned for my subsequent videos. Make sure you follow up with this platform. This will definitely suit your investment decision. And remember, they have investment analysts that can help you privatize your investment decisions. If you are interested, you can contact the customer support. They will refer you to a personalized expert on how much you have, what you want to do with your funds. They have experts in this field. Remember I said this is a real-time stock trading investment, but experts are doing it for you, just like you are doing both or copy trading. They are doing it for you, share profit, and you get your rewards. So that's the simple analogy for this. Stay tuned for my subsequent updates on this investment, on this Snowealth investment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my updates. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.